In this video, we will talk how you can make money online by using different 17 ways. The number one is sell your photos. You can make money online to sell your photos. The number two is create how-to videos. In recent areas, YouTube has gone into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. To find potential search phrases, starting typing how you do it. YouTube search bar and notice where phrase and generated into the autofill drop-down. Make sure you use same keyword when you are writing your video title, description and text. The number three ways become a copywriter. Copywriting is a mega industry rife with opportunity and yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages, and one of the best benefits of the freelancer copywriter. The number four is teach English. If you have a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you really are the number one qualification you present. Number five, turn your interest into a podcast that pays. The number seven, become a translator and interpreter. The number eight is try drop shipping. Have you heard drop shipping? It is a method of retail where the seller does not actually have a physical inventory. The number nine is tutor. Establishing your own tutoring services can be a lucrative business that provides you a comfortable and flexible lifestyle. Then the number 10 is become a freelancer, proofreader. The number 11 is the type for cash. Are you use fast? Are you a fast typist? The time spent on transcription is influenced by the audio quality, background noise, the accent of the speaker, and the speed which people speak. Number 12 is the create a money making blog. Do you have an area of expertise? Share your advice on a blog if travel is your area of expertise. And number 13, you can make money online that tap into the ebook business. And then the number 14 is set up an online course. Number 15, become a life coach or even a travel coach. Number 16, become an audiobook narrator.